Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I've just got some sort of recommendation from the YouTube only because I uploaded multiple videos on this channel, and uploading that I got a algorithm like what are the things which is useful for a beginner. So I found out basically multiple tips which can help you for the beginner to basically speak uh, fluent English in a short span of time. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if you have already learned, so as we all know, like from the childhood we have learned English language, but still we do have a like fear of speaking. That is the most important and most challenging part of to beginner to basically speak fluent. So they first basically need to basically do the practice of this language, such as like reading and listening and speaking. These are all the things which we need to do. And so I basically give you tips like at least speak to multiple peoples, because that helps you to basically just make your mouth that you used to of it, such as like if you are learning new language, such as like if you remember that when you are child, so you also start observing the people around you. And I do have a one sort of sibling which is like very young, or you can say it is around very teen, like 5 to 6 years only. So she basically just observe the things, and whatever she finds suitable she just speak. So that is how we need to basically understand that. And and they do not have a fear of basically speaking. They just speak whatever they feel. So that is how we need to basically understand this language, and we do not basically feel like somebody judge me. And so this is very important part. Once you start speaking, then you just find out some sort of mistakes, such as like tenses, or you can say you need to basically learn tenses so that you can express people like in which time you are speaking, because that is also an important part. If you are speaking in future, so you need to add will, and if you are speaking in past, so you need to use verb form second. So if you are speaking in present, so you need to speak in present. So there is ismr, or you need to basically add these words. So this is very important. And so for beginner, just start speaking, and then second point is start learning tenses. So most of the people I remember, and I just feel like most of the people just start learning the grammar rules. So that is important, but not that much if you are speaking. And the major goal is to be speak, because nowadays I feel like in professional field you do have some sort of confidence to basically start speaking, because there are a lot of people stuck whenever they got some sort of questions. So yeah, and whether they are able to basically get some sort of topic, or you can say words to express themselves, but they do have a fear. I feel like that in my initial days. So that is what I am basically expressing in this video as well. That is a common basically fear, and it is going by like doing the practices. And so mastering that, and just try to basically listen yourself. That is what most important part. I basically do forget this kind of habit, because this is actually a very beneficial if you are start listening yourself, so you can understand basically that how you are speaking, and you are listening to yourself. That is most important part. You can understand your mistakes and where you are lacking. So yeah, this is very important and very crucial if you want to basically if you want to basically speak in English in a short span of time. So I feel like these are the points. If you work on it in a day-to-day basis, so it will drastically change your fluency, and you will see the result very quick. So I'm also doing the same method, and I feel like I'm a beginner as well, so I just use that method and just express it to you people. So if you like this method, so you can subscribe to my channel and see like my growth as well. So bye bye, have a good day.